For this example, we're going to solve the system by graphing. So our system is 3y equals 2x minus 6 and 3 over 2y minus x equals 4. So remember, we have to solve for y first before we can put them into the graphing calculator. So for the first one, 3y equals 2x minus 6, we can divide by 3 on every term in order to isolate y. So y equals 2 over 3x minus 6 divided by 3 is 2. So this is our first equation. Now for our second one, we have 3 over 2y minus x equals 4. So to isolate y, we first have to add x to both sides. So that we have 3 over 2y equals x plus 4. Now, to get rid of this fraction, what we can do is, well, we know we're going to have to divide by 3 because 3 times y. That's how we can get rid of the 3. But we also have to multiply by 2 so that we can also get rid of the denominator. You could do this in 2 steps, but I like doing it in one. Just make sure you multiply by 2/3 on every single term. So then these both cancel out, and you have y equals 2/3 times x is just 2/3 x. Now 2/3 times 4, this can be 4 over 1. So 4 times 2 is 8, 3 times 1 is 3. So this is our second equation we're going to be graphing. So to graph it, you hit y equals after you turn it on. And now you want to graph 2/3, so 2 divided by 3, x minus 2. And then hit the down arrow. And now you want to graph the second one, which is 2 divided by 3, x plus 8 divided by 3. And now, to see the graph, we have to hit graph. Now, if you notice, we can't really see if they're crossing anywhere. So we're going to try our intersection. So second trace, we get our calculations. We can go to number 5, which is intersection, which is what we're looking for. Then we do enter, 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 and we get an error. So that means that they don't intersect at all, which means that they're parallel. And if they don't intersect, because the solution is where they're intersecting, if they don't intersect at all, that means that our answer is no solution. And you can tell this at the beginning. If you notice that they have the same slope, you know that they're going to be parallel. And if they're parallel, the answer is always no solution. So that's our final answer.